So you like it? You like your room?
Maria's talking to you.
You like your room?
Uh-huh.
What do you like more, the ice cream or your room?
Both the same.
Yeah? You know your mommy worked really hard in this room. You could tell, huh?
See all your pictures?
Yeah.
Now, look at this.
It's a little palace.
I could tell.
It's not bad, huh? Not bad.
Hey, that's Sam's. Look.
Yeah. Taste mine. Can I taste yours?
Take a bite. Take a bite.
Yours is good.
Take a bite.
A bite?
Really? That little. I take a bigger bite. Look, want me to take another one?
Good, huh? That was good.